Coming up, I'm going to be talking to you a Primark Disney haul that my boyfriend did for me. So let's see what he got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you to a Primark Disney haul, but with a difference because this time my boyfriend did the haul for me. I asked him to come and do a vlog with me, but he was like, no, I'm too camera shy, so this is the alternative. I said go to Primark, do a big Disney shop for me, and he definitely didn't let me down. He gave me the Primark bag. I haven't seen anything that's in it, so it's going to be just as much a surprise for me as it is for you guys watching. If the bag felt so heavy when I picked it up, I was like, oh my god, you definitely did a good job. I am so excited to see what is going to be in this haul. I cannot wait. This is so much fun. I've never done anything like this before, so thank you, David. That's his name. So if you think David did a good job on this haul and in this vlog, then you can do hashtag yay David, or if you think he did a bad haul and you don't like this stuff, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be okay because it's going to be Disney, you can say nay David, hashtag nay David, but I think it's going to be a hashtag yay David. So thank you, David, for doing this haul for me, and maybe I might get you in a vlog one of these days. I might convince him to come in, we will see. But anyway, let's get started on this haul. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back, and let's get started. So let's see what Dave got. As I said, the Primark bag was actually, like, it does have a bit of weight in it, so I'm really excited. So it's going to be like a lucky dip. I think I'll just dip my hand in. I feel something soft and fluffy. It feels like a throw. I'll start with the throw. What is it? What is it? What is it? I feel like it's my birthday, and it is my birthday this month. No, he didn't. Oh my god, guys, I have literally been non-stop talking about this because they haven't had it in my Primark. I was like, oh my god, they're all gone. I'm never gonna get one. I was devastated. It's the Thumper throw that I was looking for. Oh my god, I can't believe he does listen to me. I'm always showing him stuff on Instagram, on the Primark Instagram, being like, oh my god, I need this. Look at this. How amazing is this? Because they've so much Disney stuff and I'm obsessed with it. As you can see, look, Marie here is from one of my recent Primark Disney hauls, and oh my god, I can't believe he got it. Well done, David. €8 this was. Primark throw, they're all about €8. I absolutely love the print, and I'm actually doing my room up in kind of like grey and white at the moment, so I wanted to have a throw that would kind of keep with the theme and not be too distracting, and I thought this was so sweet. You've got Thumper kind of all over it. Oh my god, I can't believe he got it. I'm so excited. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, thank you, David. Well done. He looks like he's doing well. The first item is definitely good. Thank you. Okay, I'll leave that there. Moving on to the next item. Lucky dip, lucky dip. Actually, can you guys see? I should show you that properly. You can see it? Oh, yeah, you can. It's hard to see. Where is Thumper though? Oh, there he is. Let's see. I'm going to open it up. Who am I kidding? I'm going to open it up. Okay, here it goes. And it's so soft. Oh, look. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god, there he is there, Thumper. Oh, it's so sweet. I'm so glad I opened it now to show you. How cute is this? Absolutely gorgeous. Thumper. It's so soft. It's almost like a baby's blanket. But I love baby stuff because it's always so soft. €8, I love it. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually have this in my life now. This has literally made my day, even if I don't like all the rest of the stuff, which I know I will. But moving on to the next item. Oh, what's this? Oh, pajamas. Girl can never have too many pajamas in her life. And let's see what these guys are like. They're like Bambi. Maybe I'll take this off. Oh, they're like Bambi pajamas, and they have like a Bambi print all over. Oh, they're long. Because I don't really like short pajamas that much, only for like summer holidays, but I love the long ones, especially in Ireland. You definitely need them even in summer. Oh, it's got this gorgeous kind of like pink tie there. You've got the Bambi print, and now I'm going to match with my Bambi and my Thumper. How cute is that? And then, oh god, the little t-shirt as well. So cute, Bambi. Oh, it has like rose gold. He knows I love rose gold as well, so a little rose gold kind of glitter all over it. How cute is this? How much was this? Oh, there's no price on that guy. That's strange. So I don't know, maybe around €7 something for a pajama set. €8. something like that. I don't think they're more than a tenner for these little cotton pajama sets. So sweet. And actually in one of my other Disney Primark hauls, I got the Bambi and Thumper mug set. So now I'll be able to drink my tea in the morning with my pajamas on, snuggled into my blanket. This haul, I'm so excited. I should definitely do this more often, get other people to do my hauls for me. And then it would make my life so much easier as well. And I can talk through them and be so surprised, just like you guys are. Oh my god. I didn't think they did these in Ireland. Oh my god, I don't think David would have even known that I've like been dying to get the Alice in Wonderland stuff, because they're just always in the UK, and that happens a lot with Primark. I see stuff on their Instagram, as I said, and I'm like, oh my god, you can only get that in the UK and Germany and wherever else might be, because you look for the little flag, and if it doesn't have the Irish flag, I'm always devastated. And oh my god, I didn't think that they were bringing the Alice in Wonderland stuff to Ireland, but obviously they did, and he got me the purse. Look how gorgeous, the little bunny. Oh my god, this was €7. This is quite similar to my little Disney Aladdin purse as well. I think that was like €7 or €8. Look at the pom-pom as well. It's like his little tail, and his nose is glittery. It's like pink glittery. I love this. Oh, and then it's like hand painted as well. Oh my god, I'm so glad. Yay. Now I'll have to go into Primark myself and see what other Alice in Wonderland stuff that they have in store, because I didn't think they were bringing it here, but maybe it was just so popular in the UK and everywhere else that they were like, we have to bring it to Ireland as well. And yay, thank you. Love that. Oh my god, this is like the best haul. I think I'm gonna get him to do my hauls more often. What else have we got? Oh, a little softie. This is another pajama top maybe? Oh no. It's not a pajama top. It's just a normal little crop top tee, but look how cool it is. The tassels! Because I picked this up the last time I was in Primark. It says Snow White, Snow White, Snow White. You may recognize it. I did a Primark 10-minute dash, my last vlog. It was so much fun. I ran around Primark for 10 minutes and I saw what I could pick up. Then I ran to the till just at the 10-minute end, and then I talked through exactly what I got. And this is one of the items. I love it. Snow White. And this is from Primark, but they didn't have this at the time, and I was only in there last week. So excited. Oh my god. Oh, it's like a rope detail. Look at that. So it's like Minnie's name written in a rope, and then you've got a little Minnie Minnie on top of her name, and then the tassels. And I love pastel colours. So you've got like the peach, you've got the pink, and you've got the green, and then it's grey, and it's like €10. He got me a size 8, which is nice because it looks kind of like a large 8 crop top. I like that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That looks gorgeous. Oh, look at the little Minnie on the tag as well. I love the stuff. That looks so, it's like a very grown up Disney tee. Absolutely love it. Kind of like this one that I'm wearing. You know, it's fun and it's Disney, but it's grown up, and I like that. Oh my god, yay. What else? Like, the bag was very heavy, so oh, maybe this is why it was heavy. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did an in-store vlog in Primark, and it wasn't a 10-minute dash, it was just a normal vlog, and I actually featured this in the video because I was like, it says it's all about Minnie, and obviously the channel all about Aoife, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. But David must have saw this and thought about me, because everything that says it's all about or all about, he always says, like, you know, it's all about you, all about Minnie. Look, she's got glitter all over, and I actually have the matching pen. I have the little pom-pom Minnie Mouse pen that goes with this, so now I have a little stationery set. Woo! This was $3.50, and you've got, look at the polka dots on the inside, and then you've got a little sketch of Minnie Mouse down there. Oh, that she's doing, she's like lying down on the pages on the left, and then she's standing up on the pages on the right. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. At the back, look, Minnie at the back as well, and then polka dot at the front. Yay, now I have somewhere to write my stuff down with my new Minnie Mouse pen as well. Love that. For $3.50 you get the hardback as well. That'd be a cute little copy for school. You know, going back to school, you could stock up on all your stationery because there's so much Disney stuff in there at the moment. Oh, look who it is. He knows this chip is my favourite, because when the chipmunks were out and everybody was like after them, nobody could get them. That is literally all I talked about for about 3 months. I was like, when are the chips cups coming back. David, I think the chip cups are coming back in soon. Can you look in town for me when you're in work? I need those chip cups in my life. And I eventually got one after I stopped thinking about it because like it was just going on for so long. So he must have got this because he knows how much I love chip. Look, cute little keyring, how adorable. And I just got a new car as well. Oh, he's on both sides. You don't normally see that. Normally it's just one side. So this will be a nice little keyring to put on my new car keys. Look how cute. Ah, how much was he? He was €3. So cute. Can't have enough chips in your life. I made potato chips and Beauty and the Beast chip. You can never have too many of either. Okay, so we must be getting to the end. Oh, I feel a few receipts. Oh no, there's still a couple of things. I'm afraid to look because I don't want to ruin it. What is this guy? Oh, I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Da, da. So David must have had a bit of fun in the stationery section and the keyring, and this is the accessories. Oh, this little guy was €4. Look how gorgeous. You've got the pink little case there. You've got the genie on the front. Love that. Oh my god, how cute is this? Guys, the little thing that you pull to open is a little gold genie lamp. Look how cute. I'm telling you, the detail in Primark is just amazing. That's so cute. I love that. So I don't know what I'll store in there. But I'll definitely have to find something for all these little purses and bags that I've been picking up recently. But I do have a lot of stuff. I'm not going to lie. I have a lot of stuff. So I'll definitely find a good use for this. How cute is that? I love that. Okay, and I think we're getting to the... Oh, is this the last item? But such a cute item. Look, guys. It's a pom-pom. And I have 2 pom-poms in my life now. Where's my other little guy? Oh, pom-pom, pom-pom, pom-pom friends. And I was actually going to wear some pom-pom earrings in this video, but I decided against them. Look, they're actually here on the bed. I love pom-poms. I was going to wear these and then I thought they might be a bit too much, so I left them to the side. But now I have other pom-poms in my life, and look at this, guys. It's a Mickey Mouse pom-pom. Look at him there. How cute is that? His nose is like a little jewel. You've got his little hands cut out as well, and it's actually like a little keyring slash like clasp. You can clasp it onto things as well, like your handbag, you know, your jewelry case, your pencil case, your suitcase even. If you're going away, this would be a little great thing to see when you're coming down and you're waiting for your suitcase to come out and you're like, which one is mine? You will not miss your suitcase if it has this gorgeous little Mickey on it. Look how cute. Oh my god, how much was this? This was a €5. Definitely worth a €5 because it's definitely more of an upgraded keyring, and I'm so glad he got this. How cute. Oh my god, I love pom-poms, as I said. He literally got so much stuff. I am spoilt from all the Primark Disney stuff. I cannot wait to snuggle up with this blanket later. I absolutely love it. My new t-shirt that goes with my pom-pom. Everything is matching. I have a new set of pajamas. I think David did really well. If you think he did well too, you can hashtag yay David. If you don't think he did well, then you could say hashtag nay David. Don't worry, I won't be offended. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, guys, make sure to give me a big thumbs up as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.